Capricorn, sa video na ito, tatalakayin natin ang mga tarot prediction para sa buwan ng Marso 2025. Alamin ang mga potensyal na pagkakataon, hamon at mahahalagang mensahe na maaaring makaimpluwensya sa iyong landas. Huwag palampasin ang mga insights na maaaring maging gabay mo sa susunod na buwan. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is M and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So, in this tarot reading session, we will be discussing the March 2025 forecast for the zodiac sign Capricorn. Titingnan natin kung ano ang tema para sa buwan ng Marso, para sa inyo Capricorn, ang career reading ninyo, ang love reading ninyo, at ang health reading ninyo ngayong buwan. So, without further ado, tingnan na natin kung ano ang inyong kapalaran. So, ang theme for the month of March for the zodiac sign Capricorn is a reflection. So, ano ba yung reflection? So, para itong mirror kumbaga. So, we may not like what we see in the mirror kasi it reflects ourselves. And sometimes, it can also be about the people that we are dealing with. Pwedeng ito ay mga tao. Bakit ba itong taong ito ay binigay sa'yo? Bakit ba ito mahirap pakisamahan? Maybe it's time to reflect why this person is being given to you. Maaaring mini-mirror nitong taong ito ang mga bagay na hindi mo gusto sa sarili mo. And you need to think and reflect, maybe it's now time to change. Kasi for Capricorn, change is nakakatakot. Kumbaga, pagbabago ay nakakatakot because sanay tayo sa routine. And kapag may nagbago, ito ay parang challenge sa atin dahil tayo ay creature of habit. So, ang reflection kasi, minsan, like what I said a while ago, there are people, situations, circumstances that are being given to us that are not likely to our favor. So, hindi ito maaaring maganda. Hindi ito pabor sa atin, hindi natin ito gusto. Dahil ito ay parang nagka-catalyze or ito ay catalyst sa pagbabago. So, for the month of March, you need time to reflect. Bakit ba ako nalagay dito sa sitwasyon na ito? Bakit ba ako nakikisalamuha dito sa taong ito? Bakit ba ito nangyari sa akin? Maybe there are things that are being given to you as lessons. And kung nakikita nyo, ang kulay ng card na ito ay color blue. So, this is all about logic, communication, honesty, truthfulness, and dyan tayo magaling. Capricorns are known for truth and honesty. And this time, color blue is also connected to our emotions. So, we may be logical, we may be having routines, maaring tayo ay creature of habit, pero minsan, maganda din na ine-explore natin yung mga bagay na unknown or hindi natin alam para tayo ay may matutunan pa, 'di ba? Parang it's better to learn and gain something from it than not learn and paulit-ulit yung cycle na nilalagay tayo ng universe doon dahil hindi tayo marunong mag-reflect kung baga. Okay, Capricorn, pagdating sa iyong career, ang lumabas na card ay ang Knight of Wands in the upright. So, this is a court card. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Court card represents people and the Knight of Wands is a very positive card pagdating sa career. This can also apply to your business kung ikaw ay business-minded. It can also apply to finances, anything about resources, or kung saan ka nakakalikom ng abundance mo. So, Knight of Wands, very enthusiastic ka ngayong March pagdating sa iyong career. So, you're very positive, looking forward ka magtrabaho, and parang ang dami mong energy ngayong buwan ng Marso pagdating sa iyong trabaho. But, be warned because hindi masyadong maganda ang mga cards na lumabas dito sa clarifying cards for the month of March. So, ano yung mga unang card na lumabas? The Devil card in the upright, the Knight of Pentacles in the upright, and the Queen of Cups in the upright, in the reverse, I mean. Ang sinasabi dito, there might be some people who will be, yung merong mga tao ngayong buwan ng March na maaring alokin ka or bigyan ka ng offer. It might be very too good to be true, kumbaga. So, napakaganda ng offer na ito na parang ang hirap palampasin nitong offer na ibibigay sa'yo. But be warned, baka ito ay scam, kumbaga, kasi lumabas ang devil card. So, what we always say, pagdating sa pera or sa business, if it's too good to be true, matakot ka kasi walang ganon pagdating sa pera or pagdating sa business. Yung kung baga, malaking return ang or maglalabas ka ng certain amount and then milyon ang ibibigay sa'yo pabalik. That's not, parang may something fishy, ganon. Kumbaga, so mag-ingat sa mga taong lalapit sa'yo na pwedeng hingan ka ng investment or pwedeng kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng racket, pwedeng may mga mag-alok sa'yo ng mga nagsasabi sila na malaking pera ang mapupunta sa'yo pero ito ay scam. So, mag-ingat dyan. And the next set of cards here, the King of Swords in the reverse, the Seven of Cups in the upright, and the Queen of Swords in the reverse. Ang sinasabi dito, because you might get involved in a scam, may mga tao din na magagalit sa'yo dahil pinatulan mo itong scam na ito. So, very chaotic ang energy ngayong March. Pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa career mo, pagdating sa trabaho. So, this might be, if you're in a office setting or if you are working, there might be people that will be very matalim or may mga tao, may mga katrabaho ka na matalim ang dila at talagang ipapamukha nila sa'yo kung ano yung kamalian na ginawa mo. So, ang guidance dito, ang lumabas na guidance for Capricorn is the Seven of Pentacles in the upright and the Hierophant in the reverse. It will be a very tough month for you, Capricorn, and as much as you are working hard to make amends or yung kumbaga kung meron kang mali na nagawa, it will take you twice as much effort para ma-correct yung mali na yon pagdating sa career mo or sa business mo or sa pera. And it says here, this is actually cause and effect. So, alam mo, pinasok mo ito, then you have to deal with the consequences. Kasi, you know, parang bago mo papasukin itong deal na ito or itong investment or itong inaalok sa'yo, alam mo na. So, you should have read the fine, parang terms and conditions of this. And, yun lang ang guidance. Para mahabol mo yung nawala sa'yo or mawawala sa'yo for the month of March, you need to work hard or harder para maibalik mo yung nawala sa'yo. Okay, for those of you who are in a relationship, this is already your love reading. And the card that came out is the Queen of Pentacles in the upright. So, very fitting kasi Capricorn ka. The Queen of Coins or the Queen of Pentacles is a representation of the Earth signs. So, Queen of Pentacles, court card. So, ikaw yan. It represents you. And the Queen of Pentacles is all about stability, harmony, truth, beauty, organization. So, ang sinasabi dito, for those of you who are in a relationship, you will want to find stability in the relationship that you have right now pagdating ng March. Because with the clarifying cards here, it seems like there would be a talk. So, may pag-uusap na mangyayari na importante ngayong buwan ng Marso kung ikaw ay in a relationship. So, you and your person will be talking about a serious thing about the relationship. And it might not be in, parang hindi ito ang gusto mong marinig sa iyong person. Kasi ang sinasabi dito, kung kayo ay matagal na at nagpaplano na kayong magpakasal or meron ng mga pag-uusap tungkol sa pagse-settle down, your person or you yourself might say na hindi pa kayo ready sa ganong type of commitment, or you're not yet ready to settle down with the person that you are with right now, or yung hindi pa kayo ready magpakasal, hindi pa kayo ready mag-live-in, hindi pa kayo ready magkapamilya. And this will leave you heartbroken. Kasi ine-expect mo na yung person mo, yung magiging forever mo. Parang, you're expecting sana na it will be good news. But, magkakaroon ng time ngayong Marso na maaaring maging cold ka dito sa person mo. Kahit na mahal mo itong taong ito. Kasi, hindi mo talaga ini-expect na gano'n ang sasabihin niya. Or maaring ikaw ito, pwedeng manlalamig ka sa kanya because you're not ready for that type of commitment. Okay, for those of you who are single, this is your love reading, and the cards here are very positive. So, ang sinasabi dito, with the Three of Swords in the reverse, maaring you're still in that, parang nandun ka pa sa phase na nag-get over ka, or you're trying to get over an ex or a heartbreak in the past. And, parang you're not yet ready to open yourself up sa ibang tao, and ang inaatupag mo ngayon ay pagpapayaman or yung abundance mo kumbaga. But it says here, there might be a significant person who will be coming into your life this month of March with the Knight of Wands in the upright. So, this is a person that you will be attracted to. So, ma-attract ka dito sa taong ito, makaka-capture niya ang attention mo. But, ang guidance dito para sa'yo is, huwag kang magmadali. Kasi, you are very attractive, you are beautiful, and the right person will come to you in the right time. So, kung kailangan mo magpahinga, kung hindi ka pa ready to go into the dating pool, that's okay. Kasi, people, the right ones, or your soulmate will be coming in the right time. So, just enjoy. Kung sino man itong darating na ito, enjoy the moment. Do not get pressured to be in a relationship right away kung hindi ka pa ready, or parang kung heartbroken ka pa. Kasi kung hindi ka buo, the next relationship, kailangan you are whole, kumbaga. Or dapat buo ka bago ka pumasok sa isang bagong or panibagong relasyon. Okay, so the last card here, this is your health reading for the month of March. And the card that came out is the death card in the reverse. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? This is not literal death. This is all about, kung ikaw ay nakaka-experience ng health concerns, maaring dinidelay mo ang pagpapatingin ng iyong kalusugan. So, ito ay sign or senyales para sa'yo ngayong March. Kung ikaw ay may nararamdaman na malala, wag mo na itong pasabukas pa. Kasi, mahihirapan ka lang in the future, kumbaga. So, with the clarifying cards here, it's saying, if you're the type of person na natatakot pumunta sa ospital, makakita ng doktor, magpa-check up, wag mo nang ipagpasabukas. Kasi, your health might be a contributing factor to getting more abundance, or yung mga doors na dapat na nag-open para sa'yo, hindi mo ito nakukuha dahil isa sa mga factor ay ang kalusugan mo. So, this is your sign to have yourself check this coming March. So, wag mo nang ipagpasabukas pa yung pagpapatingin. Health is wealth, kung baga. So to end your tarot reading session, I have pulled out some oracle cards here, and the first one is meditate and contemplate. So, if you need time to think and reflect, kagaya nga ng tema para sa buwan ng Marso, gawin mo ito. And the last one is look at the bigger picture. So, hindi tayo dapat nagmi-mince dun sa mga maliliit na bagay. Kasi minsan, kapag masyado tayong nakatutok dun sa mga maliliit na bagay, hindi natin nakikita yung mas malaking fish. Kumbaga, there's a bigger fish that needs to be tended to. So, yun ang oracle card pulls para sa iyo.